Okay, class, listen up. In less than 2 minutes, I will teach you about Anaximander and his principle of Apeiron. Now, first things first, Anaximander theorized this idea over 2,600 years ago, and it was his solution for the order of the universe. It is usually known as the second Western metaphysical explanation after Thales, who was Anaximander's mentor and teacher, after he suggested that water was the fundamental element of the universe. You see, Anaximander's problem with Thales' theory was that if the world was made up of four elements, that being air, water, earth, and fire, then how can one element, like water, just create its own opposite, like fire? How is it that one element can just create the other three when they are supposed to be balanced and opposed to each other? And so, he came up with his principle of Apeiron. So what is it? Well, it's supposed to be this neutral, undefined substance that is eternal and is beyond these physical elements. Imagine a pool of potential or energy as some sort of substance in the universe that creates all things, especially opposites like water and fire. Apeiron is not an actual physical thing that takes up space like an element, but instead a type of infinite and undefined force that is the foundation and guides all things that are created. Just to clarify, Thales believed that everything comes from water, which is a physical substance, and then Anaximander comes along and says, Apeiron, which is something that doesn't have any qualities or properties, creates things that do have qualities and properties. It is the foundation for the universe. Hopefully this helped at least a little bit, and I enjoy explaining and sharing stories about the progression of human knowledge, science, and our understanding of the universe.